Number 5, planetary charts. Do you know about Bitcoin? Well, here's your challenge. This is Bitcoin, this is Larry Page, Bill Gates, the whole crypto valuation, Amazon, Apple, the whole money supply of USD, the whole supply of gold, all the physical, money in circulation, and all the stock valuation, and all the money available in the world in billions of USD dollars. How would you visualize this? So if you remember about 3 years ago, around Christmas time, before the big crash of Bitcoin, this chart came out of a famous website, was called Market Money Market. Anyway, this chart is beautiful because if you try to visualize this as a stack bar or as a bar chart, and you see this, you will not see this, and so it's not very good. So the guys here of Money Market, they were very smart, and they use volume as a way to visualize very different magnitudes. And look here, the order of magnitude between this and this is more than 4. So impossible to see the differences using linear scale. And here, for example, we visualize the same with logarithmic scale. The problem is that humans, we are not very good at understanding logarithmic scale. Here is the same information used as a volumetric chart. So this would be the radius of the planet that represents the measure. And look at this, more or less we can see all the measures. And look what happens if we try to use the linear scale. We can see a few things, but here we lose sensitivity completely, which is not useful to storytell anything, right? So logarithmic scale, here you have logarithmic scale, hard to understand for most of humans. Linear scale, not enough dynamic range. Volumetric chart, or showing the radius of a ball that represents, where the volume represents the magnitude. Very intuitive, even a kid understands that. And so this chart was super popular, and it was irresistible, because you would see here the Bitcoin valuation and say, oh my God, why wouldn't it grow to a sizable planet, right? Size. It cannot go down. So yeah, that's beautiful, beautiful chart, very powerful. Right, so this is very useful, and we saw this chart with the Elon Musk and the solar panels story that we saw before, right? So very powerful when you need to visualize very diverse order of magnitudes numbers. Right, so these are the 5 charts that, in my opinion, change the world.